Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube vlog Food Lover. This is my 8th vlog. Today we are going to a street side restaurant. It's very unique, working 24 hours. Nickname is Taxi Restaurant. Its actual name is Al Sahelia Tea Stall and Restaurant. 24 hours available. Fish fry, it is the first item on our list because this restaurant is particularly known for this fish fry. And second item is chicken fry. These two are the famous items available over here. So we are just going to taste it and tell you how's the food. So friends, let's go inside the restaurant and find out how's the food. Actually it is a small place as you can see, but the food what is been offered over here is exceptionally tasty, delicious. So this time we are not going to look out the location, the hotel, but we are concentrating on the food. It's pretty famous. As you can see, this is the chart, rate chart, like our traditional old hotels. This is the rate chart available. No menu is there. It's on the wall. It's been painted. So this is unique, like we see in Indian street side restaurants. The same scenario is here. You can see much crowd is there due to Corona. Even due to Corona, people are waiting. You can see people are waiting for the food. No seats are available. It's pretty rush over here. It's not a high-end restaurant, but the food, the quality what they offer, it's pretty high. The taste is delicious. So now we are ordering. We are placing our order. So this is in quick way. By actions we have finished our order. And our fish fry is ready. It's on our table right now. As you can see, chicken fry. We are going to enjoy this with Kerala paratha. Here you can see the fish fry is bigger than the plate in which it is being served. It's bigger in size. With my hand I can show you that. See how big it is. The fish looks really crispy and yummy. It's huge. So firstly we are going to pour the lemon on that. It will give it a nice taste. And after putting this, we are going to enjoy it. So these are my friends, Mr. Jasil and Mr. Fawaz. They will taste it and tell how it is. So he is just going to taste the fish now. As you can see, it's very easily it comes. The piece can easily be taken out from it. It's very nice. So Mr. Jasil, how's the food? Good. And Mr. Fawaz will try the chicken. The chicken is also very nicely cooked. You can see only the bone came out. So it's very nicely cooked. And here comes the gravy. This is chicken gravy. And the other one, this is fish gravy. The gravy looks delicious. So let them enjoy the food. And here is my friend Nishad. Hi Nishad, how's the food? Good. Ijaz in brown t-shirt, my friend. I can't resist from showing you this. The fish has been cooked perfectly. It's very nice, very soft. It came out very easily. You can see this piece. It's well cooked and that aroma of garlic and ginger, it's coming very nice. You can see the size of the fish is bigger than my palm. So now it's my turn to enjoy the food. I will show you the curry. The chicken curry. Firstly I am going to taste. It's very nice. But my favorite one is this fish curry. I liked it more. The chicken fry, it's also very nicely cooked. That strong aroma of ginger and garlic it's coming, which I like very much. You can see the piece well cooked. It's nicely done. All the masalas are there. You can see it. So it's pretty nicely cooked. So I'm just going to enjoy it. Do like, share and comment. Now we are exiting from here. You can see still the crowd is coming in. It's famous taxi restaurant nickname and original name known by Al Sahelia Tea Stall.